All right, so this right here is back end. After you sign in, where you want to go is you want to go to Add Rotate Pro. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add the leaderboards and the tile ads. So we're first going to do is we're going to start with your leaderboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and let's see if you have any groups, which you do. So this right here is all set up for you. And anything that you apply to this, like all of your leaderboard ads, like Joe's and Rourke's, all of those will be here and they'll share every 6 seconds. It'll rotate and it is mobile optimized. So let's go ahead and create a brand new group and this will be for your tile ads. So let's go ahead and do tile ads. That way you know where to put them. Show one at a time, and we're going to go 300 by 300. Usually they're 300 by 250, 250 by 250, 300 by 300. And then you move down. The next one we're going to do is we're going to keep it at 6 seconds. We're going to count the impressions. So if people get clicked on, we can actually review the stats and have it for your advertisers. All right, and we're not going to assign an alignment. We're going to enable it for mobile support. You can just scroll all the way down. And then see these adverts here? These are our demo ads. We don't have any ads just yet, but we are going to save the group. And that way we can move on. The next step is you're going to go to Manage Adverts. And here we're going to go to Add New. So we're going to go and start with Joe. Let's make that the leaderboard. And today's date, which is the 9th. All right, so here, what you want to do is you want to put a string of code. So that way, when they click it, it'll go to their website. Now, we suggest this one here. And what that does is it basically takes them off of your page in a new tab. So when they close that tab, they're back on your website. We want to take people to your website and not take them off in another tab. So let's see here if I can. Let's go with Joe's leaderboard. And I'm trying to get the URL for it, but it doesn't look like it's working. Let's see here. Let's just use this here. This might work. So in between the parentheses, you want to put the URL. So we're going to do www. And then reminder USA.net pages goes butcher shop. Okay. And then you want to have that backspace to end the tag. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and select an image. We don't have anything on file, so I'm just going to go ahead and select from the desktop, and here's Joe's leaderboard. Takes a minute or two for it to upload. Once it's there, you just go ahead and select Choose Banner. So you select that, and then if you click here, it gives you a preview. That's how you know you did it correctly. Then next, you want to go ahead and give it a schedule. So we're going to start it today. And let's go ahead and end it at the end of the month. You don't have to worry about time if it's just going to be changed frequently. If it is specific, you want to use military time. So you would do 0000 for midnight and 23:59 for 11:59. So after that, just go ahead and scroll down. There's nothing else you need to do. And then we're going to assign it to the leaderboard. You hit save. And then we're going to go ahead and open and link in a new tab. And this is the home page. Now, if you give it a second, we're going to refresh it. And let's see here. For some reason, it's not displaying. All right, let me see something here. Get back into the groups. Leaderboard ads. Want to make sure that there's nothing checked. Okay, so Joe's is there. Let's take those out. And let's refresh. And there it is. So if you click it, It should take you right to that page. And we're just going to go ahead and proceed. And of course, this will change once we have the URL for Joe's Butcher Shop. And there we are. And here it says full page ad. All right. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to go to manage adverts and we're going to create a tile. So we go to add new. I'm going to go to Joe's tile. Forgot the dashes here. And then today's date. And then what you do is you go here, select the second string of code. And then we're going to go ahead and use that same URL. And it is pages. There's your shop. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and select the banner. And let's look. And here's this week's page. Okay. We're going to give it its schedule here. And this time, instead of putting it in a group, I'm going to show you how to put it on the page. So you go to Customize. And then you go into Widgets. Look for Default Sidebar. Go here and look for Advert. And this means that it's only one ad. It's not going to rotate. So if Joe's the only one that does this, this will be the only one that'll show. Okay. You hit Done. And then you drag that above the e-editions. And there it is. Once you hit Publish, you'll start to see this right here. And it's that easy. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me at ops@our-hometown.com. That's O as in Oscar, P as in Peter, S as in Sam, at our-hometown.com. I look forward to working with you guys. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.